How to download your Instagram data on Android account data guide. So hello guys, in this quick tutorial video I will tell you how you guys can do that. So it was very easy. First of all, you will simply click on Instagram app. Once you open it, simply click on down right side profile pic. Once we click here you guys will see on top right corner three lines, so simply click on that. Once we click here you guys will wait for some seconds. Now here you guys can see account centers on top, so simply click on account center. Once we click here you guys can see password and security, connected experience, your information and permissions. So simply click on your information and permissions. Once we click here you guys can see export your information. So simply click on that. Once we click on that, here you guys will wait for some seconds. Now here you guys can see click create export. Simply click on create export. Once we click on create export, here you guys can see your Facebook account, Instagram account and Meta account. So simply click on Instagram account. Once we click on Instagram account, here you guys can see export to external services, export to device. So simply select the service that you want to export it. For example, I want to export it to device. So simply click on export to device. Once we click here you guys will simply see start export. Once we click on start export, here you guys will simply give the password, and once you give the password, after that continue, and once you continue, that's it, your exporting will be started. So that's how you guys can do that. Thanks for watching.